How to delete a playlist on YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove any playlist from your account in just a few taps. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, tap on the U tab at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on Playlists and tap on the playlist you want to delete. At this point, tap the three dots next to the playlist name. In the next step, tap on Delete Playlist from the menu that appears. Following this, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Delete again to confirm. Once done, the playlist will be permanently removed from your YouTube account. Keep in mind that this only deletes the playlist itself and not the videos inside it. Finally, if you want to delete multiple playlists, just repeat the same steps for each one individually. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete a playlist on YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.